Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to make a custom cursor on your Windows 11, 10 or any other Windows of version. So let's start without wasting our time guys. So I have made this custom cursor. Similarly, you can make many customs cursors whatever you likes. So first of all, we need to open the mouse setting here simply, and I will show you how to make them. Click on additional mouse settings, and from here we need to open the pointer. Once you open the pointer, these are the normal settings guys. You can browse here and you can go to your C drive. This is a Windows directory, and you can choose any cursor whichever you like. As you can see here, it is selected here. So these are the customs, but if you want to custom it yourself, like these are the default which is provided by the Microsoft. But so I have made this cursor as a custom cursor. If I open it, so as you can see here, this is looking different from the Windows inbuilt. So how to make them as a custom? So open the Google Chrome or whichever website you are using. Just come over to this website, cursor.cc. Once you come over to this website, you need to click on import image, and once you click on import image, we need to select here choose files, and now we need to select the location where the Windows cursor has been stored. Open C drive, then go to Windows folder and press C on your keyboard and look for cursors. Okay, and select whichever you like. Let's say you want to make this one cursor as a custom one. This is a plain white, but if you want to make it as custom, select that, then click on open, and once you open that, a file is uploaded here. Just click on upload. Now once you upload here, this is the default view you can see here. So you can fill the whatever colors you like from here. Let's say I want to tick this option, pick a existing color, and then select here. Let's say I want to select here the yellow one. Select here yellow and simply fill the yellow here. Let's say I want to make this portion as yellow. Like so. Select here, I need to make it white. So this is a custom cursor I have selected here just to show you. You can choose many options from there, the colors and all the things. And once you have made your custom cursor, just click on download cursor. As you can see here, it will be downloaded here. So we can open the folder here. As you can see here, so let me name it as a custom new, and press the enter key, and we need to right click on it and simply cut it or copy it and go to the directory of C drive, then Windows, then look for the cursor in a C series, this option, and simply paste here which you have recently downloaded. Just remember the name, give the permission. So as you can see here, custom new cursor. Okay, I have selected a name and I want to browse. Then I need to select here the custom one, This is the name as I have given here. Click on open. As you can see here, preview, click on apply, click on OK, and now you can see here similar I have made it. See, this is looking different, and this is the custom cursor. You can make many of them. Similarly, I have made another one as well. So this is the cursor made by me. This is also different colors and themes you can select from here. And if you want to select another one, click on import images, then click on choose, and here choose the file. Let's say I want to select this. Click on open, click on upload. Okay, and let's me make it green. Okay, let me make this. So I have made a new one. Select a download cursor. Now you should able to see the new one. So you can name it as a new or green, and simply cut it. Go to the C, the same directory, Windows, look for cursor. This is, now simply paste it here like this. Give permission. Okay, go to this. Now select green one, this one, open, apply, click on OK, and now you can see this time this is looking different, green one. So this is a way to make a custom cursor on your Windows. So I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.